So dear children, first of all the candidates are selected. Candidates go through every class and introduce themselves. Date is fixed for an election and results. And then when all the selections are over, there is a oath ceremony. And same as elections are held in our school, it takes place in our country also. And before we select the candidates who all can stand for the election, we need to check whether they all have their good qualities or not. Because as I already said, everyone can't become a monitor or a captain or a leader. They need certain qualities within them. Without those qualities, they can't become monitors or leaders. So now let us see what are the qualities. Qualities of a good monitor, prefect or a leader. A student can become a good monitor if he possesses the following qualities. So I am reading out the qualities. Point wise, you just listen carefully and try to understand. Monitor should be understanding. A class monitor or prefect has to be understanding and considerate about other students and their needs. Next is fair-minded or dispassionate. Do you understand the meaning of fair-minded? He should be very fair in judgment. He should not think that he is my best friend or that boy is not good to me, so I can do anything to him, and he is my best friend, so I have to save him, everything like this. No, these things are not a good quality. A good monitor is always unbiased and impartial. He or she must not favor his or her best friend and do wrong to other. He or she must be fair in her or his treatment with other students. And then main point, responsible. A class monitor should be responsible. He should be able to take the responsibilities whatever is given to him. Next is well disciplined. A good class monitor should be well disciplined and must not indulge in any kind of mischiefs. Means he should be a good boy or a good girl. He should be well disciplined. He should know how to respect, how to understand, how to talk, time management, everything. Next, not complaining frequently. A monitor should not always go and complain to teacher regarding any student. That is not a good quality of a monitor. A monitor who can change the situations, who can try and make the things smooth in his class or her class is a good one, because complaining is not a good nature. He or she must report regarding the top 3 disturbing students each Friday, as it is also told by the teachers. Also, minor issues could be solved by the monitor himself or herself. Everything should not go to class teacher, but the major things and the things which should be known by the teacher, the monitor should inform the teacher, but not everything. A monitor should be like who can set an example for others to follow. A monitor must be an ideal student. He or she should not indulge in talking and disturbing the class, while at the same time writing the name of the students who do so. He or she must set examples for others to follow. You know children, we all have great leaders in our country, and we all follow them also because they were good leaders, and we really need to follow them and go on their path to be a good citizen for in our life also.